Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play a piano accompaniment, Born to Die by Lana Del Rey. I've left my other Lana Del Rey tutorials linked in the description, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song, and I'll just sing as a reference point. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of E minor, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E minor. So these are the notes we are working with. This is middle C as a reference point, and the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange on the screen there. So we'll start with the intro. I'll do the right hand first. So we have this very quick lead in, so it goes. So that is G, B, C, D, E, and then we have B, and then E and B, C, D, C, B, C, B. So I'll do all that again. And the left hand with that, we have C major, so C, E, G, reposition. And then we move that shape up to E minor, E, G, B. And then we go down one to D major, D, F sharp and A. And then back to C major. So I'll just put this first bit of the intro together then. Together there with the E and the C. B, G comes in with E minor, A comes in with D major, G, F sharp, and then C major comes in with the B and E. I'll do all that again. Then we have these chords, so I'm going to play a low C in the left hand, and then second inversion of C major in the right hand. So this is the why, who, me, that part. So G, C and E. I'm just going to hold these chords down. And then we come to E minor root position, so E in the left hand, and then E, G, B in the right hand. D major, second inversion, so D in the left hand and then A, D, F sharp in the right hand. And then C, second inversion again, but an octave lower than where we played it last time. Let's do those chords again, so C. And that's the intro, so I'll just play this whole intro then from the beginning. Off, and then the verse starts. So we have G major, so G octaves if you can, but if not just play single G. In the right hand, that's second inversion of G major, so that's D, G and B. I'm going to hold the left hand down and play the right hand chord twice, so like 1, 2, and then D major. So D and A in the left hand. In the right hand, I'm going to play D, F sharp and A. Play twice, back to G major, back to D major, and then we have C major root position. So I'm going to play C and G in the left hand, and then C, E, G in the right hand twice. Up to E minor, root position. So again, we've had this chord before. So I'm going to play E and B in the left hand, and then E, G and B in the right hand. And then we want to go back to D major for 4 times. And then we're going to repeat all of that chord progression again. So it's on the screen, so from the G. So I'll just demonstrate the verse now then. Fate don't fail me now. Take me to the finish line. Oh, my heart, it breaks every step that I take. But I'm hoping that the gates, they'll tell me that you're mine. Walking through the city streets. Is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey. And now into the chorus. So we play C major second inversion, so like we've had before. I'm going to play octaves in the left hand, so G, C, E, so play it twice. And then we have these right hand passing notes, so we play a single F sharp, and then we go into E minor, so E is in the left hand, then in the right hand that's B, E, G. Play it twice. And then we play a single A, before we go into the D major. So D is in the left hand, in the right hand that's A, D, F sharp. Play it twice. And then play a single G before we go back into that C major again twice. So we repeat this 4 times. So I'll demonstrate that again. So I'll demonstrate the whole chorus now with vocals. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on to try and have fun in the meantime. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. Like it goes insane. Choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. And then we're into the second verse, which we're going to play exactly the same as the first one. It's just half the length, so we only do that chord progression through once. Lost, but now I am found. I can see that once I was blind. I was so confused as a little child, trying to take what I could get, scared that I couldn't find all the answers, honey. And then into the chorus again, same as before. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on to try and have fun in the meantime. and then we're into this post-chorus part. Play it first. So the right hand then, you can play octaves here if you want to. So there's this the actual piano part in the song. So we have E's, D, B, A, B, E. Then the left hand with that, you can play in fifths if you want to. So E, B, E. So together here, I'm going to play the left hand twice to carry on that sort of 2-beat feel. So 1, 2, D, and then I'm going to play G5, so G, D, G twice. And we have A, based around A minor, so A, E, A, with A's in the right hand twice, B, and then C, G, C with the E's, so C5. And then I play E minor, or just E5 there. So let's do that post-chorus again. We were born to die. And then we're into like this really short bridge part. So I'll play it first. So it's only 3 chords. We play a single B. Then we have A minor. So A, you can play A, E, A in there in the left hand to make it sound more full. And then E, A, C in the right hand. Come and take a walk on the wild side. And then E minor, which we've had before. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. D major, we've had before, for 4 beats. You let your girls insane. I'll do that again. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You let your girls insane. And then we have B, D, then into the chorus again, same as before. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why. Keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on to try and have fun. In the meantime, come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me get you hard in the pouring rain. You know your girl's insane. Choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. And then we have a different post-chorus this time. So the right hand part is the same. So the but then the left hand with that, so we have C, or C5, and then E minor with the B, and then A5 with the A, and then C with the E, which was the same as before, so it's ever so slightly different. So I'll do that again. Do that again. And then it's this outro part, so it's the So it's played sort of like staccato, disjointed, but if you could play it like this. So it's sort of more, sounds more piano-y, for lack of a better description. So we have C in the left hand, and then the right hand plays C, E, C, E, C. It's based around C major, and then E, B, G, E, G, E, based around E minor, and then D, A, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, based around D major, and then it stops there. So do that again. So you could play it like legato and smooth like that with pedal, or you could play it like more in the style of how it's played in the actual track. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.